everybody. This is Josiah today in Josiah's Math Lab. And if you have just joined here, well, the name Josiah's Math Lab has come from wherever I do math is considered my math lab. So, like right now, this is my living room. This is the math lab. Or sometimes I can shoot it outside or upstairs. That's my math lab. Or even outside, actually. I don't have to be home. Anyways, so today we're going to be doing a refresher on division. You want to know why? Because I actually forgot how to do this. And some of you might have also done that. And I'm doing division in school. And I want to learn how to do this again. So, I'll make a refresher for everybody who forgot how to do it, or people who know how to do it, just haven't done it in a long time. So, it works as a refresher. So anyways, let's start off with our first problem out of our 4. We have 12 divided by 4. First, let me remind you though, this is our divisor, this is our dividend, and this is our quotient. You divide the divisor by the dividend, and you get the quotient. The quotient is the answer. So how many times can 4 go into 1? 0, right? So what you're gonna do is put 0 here, and you're gonna carry the 1 over here. So 12. Now how many times can 4 go into 12? I know this, and I bet some of you also know this, but for people who don't, let's count. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8. And then you add 4 more. Okay guys, let's keep going. Somebody called me and messed up the music, so as you might have recognized, it restarted. I restarted it. So anyways, we are over here. How many times can 4 go into 12? We already had 8, because 4 plus 4 is 8. Now we add 4 more. You need 2 more to get to the nearest 10. And you split it 4 in half, you have another 2. So you add that 2 to 10, 11, 12. So now you have 12. So 4, 8, 12. And how many groups do I have in my fingers? 3. Which means the answer is 3. The divisor, 12, divided by the dividend, 4, equals 3. Okay, now let's move to 21 divided by 7. Before I explain this, let me tell you something. Since division is the opposite of multiplication, and multiplication is the opposite of division, if you know what you have to multiply by 7 in order to get 21, then you can get the answer really quickly. Oh, I didn't notice this when I made the problem. I'll tell you what I've done. So here, 21 divided by 7, the divisor divided by the dividend, equals the quotient. So how many times can 7 go into 2? None, right? Because if you only have 2 fingers up, but you have another 7 over here, how can you make that into one group? Just 1. So let's put the 0 here, and then carry the 2. Now how many times can 7 go into 2? 7 go into 21. 7 plus 7 is 14. Then 4 plus 6 is 10. So you need 6 more to get to 20. And then you have 2 more left over. Wait a minute. No, wait. Okay, 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have 21. And how many groups of 7 do I have? 3. So now let me tell you something. When I was setting up the problems, I didn't notice this, but these are the same answers. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 21 divided by 7 is 3. I probably should have put the 3 as the dividend, and then left 7 as my answer. But I didn't notice that, so we just have the same answers. Anyway, let's move on to number 3. Cameraman, lower the camera. There we go. You guys can see this, so let's start. Okay. So how many times can 4 go into 3? 0 times, right? Because you only have 3, but you have 4. You can't make any groups. So we put 0. Okay, and then we carry the 3. So how many times can 4 go into 32? Wait a minute, I know the answer, but I'm gonna make this easier. So let me turn the dividend to 8. 8 can go into 3 anytime, so 0, and carry the 3. So 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. Same thing. 16 plus 16, 6 plus 6 is 12. So we put 2 here. We carry the 1. You carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 more is 3. So we have 32. So how many groups of 8s did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 4, which means 32 divided by 8 is 4. And also 3, 3, 4. Okay. 36 divided by 6. This is actually one of my most favorite problems in the 6s because 36 divided by 6. Let me show you. So how many times can 6 go into 3? 0 times, because you only have 3, and you have 6 other fingers. I'll carry the 6. 6 times 5. 6 times 4. 6 times 4, we have 6, 12. We have 18, and then we have 24. Okay. Wait a minute, that's a bag. Okay. So let's see here. 6 times 5, because 36 divided by 6, so let's lower the number to 5. 6 times 5 is 25. 30. And then we add the 6 because 6 times 6. We add the 6 because it's 6 times 6. And then we get 36. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 28. Wait, oh yeah, we're doing this by 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which means 36 divided by 6 is 6. That's why it's my favorite, because all you need to know is know the divisor, and then you get your answer. 6 times 6 equals 36. Also 3 plus 3 equals 6. So, all these patterns I didn't recognize, but this is the refresher on our division for today. Sorry I wasn't able to post on Wednesday. I had some studying to do. And I also kind of wanted to take a break on Wednesdays because sometimes I have stuff to do. And Wednesday's my free day also. So if I'm not tired on Wednesdays, I'll make a video. And if not, I'll do it on like Saturday and Sunday. So anyways, guys, Saturday, Sunday, or Friday. And today is Sunday. So anyways, guys, that's our refresher on division. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.